Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is a South Bend Heavy 10 Toolroom lathe. It was made in 1976. It came from the factory as an inch metric machine. So it has the change gears to do metric threading. It also has the dials on the compound and the cross slide that are inch and metric. The gear cover has the chart for metric threading, and it is oversized to accommodate the 127 tooth gear needed for metric threading. The spindle hole is 1 3/8 inches. It has a D14 spindle taper. Quick change tool post. This came out of a school, so it's definitely got apprentice marks on it. The bed is 3.5 feet, so you can put 20 inches between centers. There's taper 2 in the tailstock. Tool board. The ways are flame hardened. In addition to the 6-inch 3 jaw that is a buck, I've got a 6-inch 4 jaw that's also a buck. 7-inch drive plate. Spindle adapter to go to Morse taper 2. Lantern tool post with the boring bar, threading tool, standard turning tools. You already saw the change gears. Some extra holders. The motor is 3-phase, 208 to 230 and 460 volts. A storage cabinet underneath. Cross feed. And the half nuts. Thanks for looking.